is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull the shelf so the tabs pop out of their catch. Remove the access panel. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the access panel. Clip the shelf back into the glove box. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.